Often you'll need payment before shipping goods, so let's walk through creating an invoice for a sales order. You have two ways to create an invoice. Use the order drop-down in the top right of the sales order and select Create Invoice. Or tick the checkboxes next to the products you want to invoice, then click the action cog in the header and choose Invoice. If order management is enabled, you'll find this in Settings and Company. You can also choose Create Partial Invoice from the order drop-down. This lets you specify exactly how much to invoice, either by quantity or percentage on partially supplied orders. Once created, the invoice is parked. This means it's open for editing. You'll find it in Sales and then View Invoices, or via the Invoices tab on the sales order. Before completing the invoice, verify payment terms and select a custom template using Doc Designer if needed. When ready, click Complete Invoice. This action sends an accounts receivable record to your accounting integration, like Xero or QuickBooks. The invoice keeps the same number as the sales order, but will include the appropriate invoice prefix instead of the order prefix. After completion, you can print or email the tax invoice directly from the invoice screen or through a template. Thanks for watching.